On to this now, Gauteng MEC for Education, Lebogang Maile, this morning visited the family of a 29-year-old Michael Zulu primary school teacher, Siyabonga Shabalala, who was shot and killed on his way to school in Tsakane on Monday. Maile says the incident highlights the urgent need for communities to work together, and this is to combat gangsterism and other forms of crime threatening the safety of schools and residents. He goes on to add that the department has made psychosocial support available for learners, staff and Shabalala family, while continuing to work with the law enforcement and communities, and this is to improve safety around schools.
Masacela amathafa abasolwa abadubule babulala uthisha wesikole samabanga aphansi iMichael Zulu Primary phambi kwabafundi ngomsombuluko nokubanga isibibithwana eseqile emndenini. Kanti ke ungqongqoshe womnyango wezemfundo eGauteng uLebogang Maile uhambele lo mndeni namuhla ukuyobhongisana nawo emswaneni.
An educator of Michael Zulu Primary School was gunned down on his way to work, to school. And this happened at the full display of learners, leaving learners traumatized. GDE has deployed the psychosocial support to ensure that the learners are assisted in terms of trauma counseling. As things stand, the motive of the crime remains unknown. This family tomorrow will bury their loved one. And MEC has expressed a heartfelt message of condolences and support on behalf of the Gauteng government.
Umnyango uthi lesi senzo sikhomba ngokusobala ukuthi usemkhulu kangakanani umsebenzi okusafanele wenziwe ukulwa nobugebengu.
Enye into ebalulekileyo, this demonstrates that the call by the MEC that it takes a village to raise a child, wherein is mobilizing a social compact on education, saying everyone must play a part in making education safe, in making umphakathi safe, and participate to outroot gangsterism, weapons, and all forms of substance abuse must be out of schools. This family is a victim of exactly the issues MEC Maile is trying to solve. We want to say to the family, the Gauteng government, working with the SAPS and Nomphakathi Wonke, is going to leave no stone unturned in uncovering the facts surrounding this case.
Usiyabonga Shabalala uzobekwa ke endaweni yakhe yokugcina ngomgqibelo, kanti umnyango ufunge wagomela ukuthi uzokwenza konke okusemandleni ukusebenzisana bomthetho ukuthi kutholakale lezi zelelesi. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV kubeka umqondisi Miyeni ngeseTsakane.